now as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I
over there, 8,000 feet, halfway there. How you feeling right now?
I'm feeling actually a lot more nervous than I was on the ground.
You ready to do it?
I'm still excited. I'm still ready to do it. I'm pumped.
How are you, Mike? You ready to do it?
This is awesome to be here with Rachel. This is a great jump. Let's push it today. Let's do this.
All right, let's go outside. I'll meet you outside.
I'm ready.
whenever you reach for me. I do all that I can, even though there may be times it seems I'm far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I am always by your side. 'Cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I do all that I can. We're heading for something, somewhere I've never been. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn for the power